Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Have you ever dreamed of a life full of laughter, love and sequins, but felt totally clueless about how to make it happen? You're not alone. I spent years in soul-sucking jobs, battling depression, an eating disorder, and a preference for chaos and disaster, simply because I didn't know how to create the life I dreamed about. In Radical Self-Love, you'll begin to discover exactly what makes you so magnificent, and you'll uncover a litany of tools and techniques to help you manifest a life that bursts with magic, bliss and adventure. When you love yourself, life is limitless. You can do anything you want. It's time to throw off the shackles of expectation, and start living from your heart. It's time to astound yourself with how beautiful your life can be. It's time to treat every single day like a celebration. Cake, candles and confetti very much included. Radical self-love should be on every woman's bookshelf. Gala darling is the fresh voice of a new generation, encouraging us to love ourselves and rediscover the most magical facets of who we are. This book will crack you open to the presence of your authentic power. Gabrielle Bernstein, New York Times best-selling author of Miracles Now. Awesome book. Full of great concepts and practical ways to put them into practice. I really like how each chapter is structured with homework assignments at the end. The only things I didn't like were the chapter on fashion, not my thing, and it also seemed to deviate from the there are no rules theme of the rest of the book, and, as a few people mentioned, there is a chapter that sums up pretty much all of how to win friends and influence people, which was a bit excessive. But the rest of the book blew me away and provided me with a ton of great concepts that I'll be implementing in my own life starting now.